Financial freedom is not a distant dream. It's a tangible goal achievable through knowledge. In a world where money influences our choices, understanding its dynamics is pivotal. The journey toward financial freedom starts with education. This video delves into the pivotal role of financial education as the ultimate key to unlocking doors to prosperity. From unraveling misconceptions to exploring their transformative impact, we embark on a journey to empower individuals with the tools and insights necessary to navigate the complex landscape of personal finance. Welcome to a roadmap that leads to financial freedom and independence. Number 1. Understanding financial education. Financial education encompasses more than numbers. It's a passport to financial literacy and empowerment. It involves equipping oneself with the knowledge and skills to manage money effectively, make informed decisions, and plan for the future. Irrespective of age, background, or financial status, embracing financial education is crucial. It empowers individuals to break free from financial uncertainty, fostering a sense of control over their economic well-being. Misconceptions often cloud the concept of financial education. Clearing these misconceptions is vital to appreciating its transformative potential and societal impact. Number 2. The impact of financial education. Financial education is a catalyst, instilling confidence and knowledge to make sound financial choices. It empowers individuals to take charge of their finances, fostering a sense of independence and control over their economic future. By imparting the skills to manage money wisely, financial education acts as a shield against debt traps. It enables individuals to understand the consequences of borrowing, thereby mitigating financial risks and preventing spiraling debt cycles. The ripple effect of financial education extends beyond the individual, contributing to societal stability by fostering a culture of financial responsibility and stability. Number 3. Where to start? Components of financial education. At the core of financial education lies the art of budgeting and managing money effectively. Understanding income, expenses, and prioritizing spending are fundamental skills for achieving financial stability. Learning the principles of saving and investing cultivates a mindset of wealth creation. It involves understanding risk, exploring investment options, and planning long-term financial goals. Comprehending the nuances of credit and debt empowers individuals to make informed borrowing decisions, manage debt responsibly, and build a favorable credit profile. Preparing for retirement through financial education ensures a secure and comfortable future, emphasizing the significance of early planning and investment strategies. Number 4. Challenges in promoting financial education. Limited accessibility to quality financial education resources poses a significant challenge. Socioeconomic disparities, inadequate educational programs, and a lack of awareness hinder widespread access to essential financial knowledge. Cultural beliefs and societal norms often shape attitudes toward money and finance, impacting the perceived importance of financial education. Overcoming deeply ingrained mindsets is crucial for the widespread acceptance and adoption of financial literacy initiatives. Addressing these challenges demands innovative approaches, including community-driven programs, improved accessibility through technology, and tailored educational strategies to bridge the gap and ensure financial education reaches every corner of society. Number 5. Benefits of financial education. Financial education bestows individuals with the knowledge and tools to make informed financial decisions, fostering a sense of empowerment and confidence in managing their money effectively. Armed with financial literacy, individuals develop critical thinking and analytical skills necessary for evaluating financial options, thereby making wiser decisions aligned with their long-term goals. By understanding concepts like investing, savings, and budgeting, individuals can pave the way toward wealth creation and accomplish their aspirations, whether buying a home, starting a business, or securing a comfortable retirement. Number 6. Role of technology and innovation. Technology plays a pivotal role in democratizing financial education. Digital platforms, apps, and online resources offer accessible, interactive, and personalized learning experiences catering to diverse learning styles. Innovative approaches like gamification make financial education engaging and enjoyable. Interactive simulations and gamified learning modules enhance comprehension and retention, making complex financial concepts more accessible and entertaining. Technological advancements enhance the accessibility of financial education, reaching broader audiences worldwide. Moreover, it fosters increased engagement by adapting to evolving learning preferences and lifestyles in the digital age. Number 7. Implementing financial education in different spheres. Integrating financial education into formal education curricula equips younger generations with indispensable life skills. Incorporating it at school levels fosters early financial literacy, ensuring students have a strong foundation for managing finances. Employers embracing financial education initiatives empower employees, leading to reduced financial stress and increased productivity. Workplace programs offer tailored resources, workshops, and incentives, promoting financial wellness among staff. Community-driven programs and government policies focusing on financial literacy amplify societal impact. Collaborative efforts to provide accessible resources and support networks significantly enhance financial education for all. Number 8. The future of financial education. The future of financial education embraces ongoing advancements, leveraging cutting-edge technology like AI-driven learning platforms and virtual reality simulations. These innovations personalize learning experiences, adapting to individual needs and preferences. Innovative teaching methodologies, including experiential learning and real-life simulations, revolutionize traditional pedagogies. These methods immerse learners in practical scenarios, enhancing comprehension and application of financial concepts. Looking ahead, a financially educated society is achievable through collaborative efforts, emphasizing continuous learning, accessibility, and inclusivity. It involves cultivating a culture where financial literacy is not just a skill but an integral part of everyone's journey toward financial well-being. Financial education is the gateway to financial freedom, imparting knowledge and skills pivotal for prudent money management. From budgeting essentials to investment strategies, its scope encompasses various facets crucial for achieving financial stability. Taking charge of personal finances begins with embracing financial education. It necessitates proactive steps learning, applying knowledge, and seeking continuous improvement to navigate the complexities of modern economics effectively. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to stay updated for more insights on accelerating your path to financial success.